Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting immediately. Unlock your iPhone 13 and keep it very close to the AirPods Max. Make sure the headphones have enough battery. Low power can block pairing. Once done, press and hold the noise control button until the indicator flashes white. That forces pairing mode and broadcasts a Bluetooth signal. This is faster than menus because the AirPods Max use direct Bluetooth discovery. Now move to your iPhone to accept the connection. On your iPhone, open Settings and tap Bluetooth. The AirPods Max should appear under Other Devices. If the automatic Connect sheet pops up, tap Connect. It saves time and configures iCloud sharing. Otherwise, tap the device name in Bluetooth to pair manually. Wait for the status to change to Connected. This completes the handoff so audio routes automatically. Make sure you enable any prompts for Siri and noise control features, so the headphones work with your Apple ID and settings. Once connected, play music and make a quick call to confirm stereo audio and mic functionality. Then cycle through noise control and transparency modes to verify sensors. If the AirPods Max fail to connect, restart your iPhone and retry pairing mode. A fresh Bluetooth stack often clears glitches. If that still fails, reset the headphones. Hold the noise control and digital crown for about 15 seconds until the LED shows amber then white.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.